Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your device supports both SIM and eSIM. First, confirm model and iOS version, then power down and use the ejector to place the Nano SIM in the tray. Once you power the phone back up, open Settings and tap Cellular so you can verify the physical line appears. This step confirms network registration and gives you a baseline to add the eSIM. Make sure cellular service shows signal bars before moving to the next step. Now you'll add the eSIM using the carrier's QR or app. Open Settings, choose Cellular, then add Cellular Plan, scan the QR code or follow the on-screen manual entry prompts. Once the plan downloads, you'll see it listed. Tap it to label and set defaults. Decide which line handles voice, which is mobile data, and which uses iMessage and FaceTime so billing and roaming behave predictably. Once set, confirm the eSIM shows as active and test by toggling data off and on. Finish by mastering line switching and a key troubleshooting step. You can switch which line handles cellular data in settings or the control center quick toggle and choose a default for calls. If the eSIM won't activate, restart the phone, try re-scanning the QR, or contact your carrier with the iPhone IMEI and eSIM ID. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear conflicts, then re-add the eSIM. One reliable tip: keep the carrier QR or activation code until service is confirmed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.